Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to quickly grey out parts of Stabicad drawings to gain more control over the visibility of underlays and Xrefs. The cleanup function of the drawings has been greatly improved and now allows you to reset the colour of all lines and blocks to the colour of the layer instead of a solid colour. In past drawings you had to partially explode them, which increased the file size and made new information visible, which had to be cleaned up again. Here's a drawing which has been linked as an Xref to a system drawing. You can see different colours and layers, text, dimensions and hatches. It's a drawing in which the installations are not clearly visible. Let's fix this. Go to Insert, Xref Manager and open the underlay directly from the manager. Use the function Cleanup Drawing to clean it up. To do this, we go to the Stabby Tools palette, tab Setup, third button, Cleanup Drawing. Now a wizard starts and you can set your preferences. The first screen that's now displayed is also the most important for the end result. By default, the function leaves the elements in the drawing on the layer which they have been drawn. Depending on whether this is desired, select Retain in the column Move to Layer. Or select a general layer for all geometry. Let's click the text Maintain behind Building Geometry. And select the general layer. Click on the little sun behind Annotations. And change it to the ice crystal. This means the annotations will not be visible anymore. Also do this for the hatches. Click on Complete. The drawing is now being cleaned up. In the status screen, we can see it is cleaned up. The screen also shows what's happened exactly. Click on Close and now you have a much clearer overview of the drawing. Save the Xref. Shut it down. Let's now reload the Xref in this installation drawing. Go to Insert, Xref Manager, Reload. This looks a lot more calm. We can still turn layers of the architectural drawing on or off in our own drawing. Go to the Layer menu and switch the dimensions on. Save the drawing and close it. Reopen the drawing and the dimensions are switched off again. This behavior can be influenced with a variable. You can type in this variable. Type visRetain. This one needs to be switched on. Save the drawing. Switch on the dimensions layer. Save the drawing and close it. And open it once more. Now the dimensions are indeed visible. Now the architectural drawing will be displayed as it is determined in the system drawing. The advantage of this is that the settings for displaying the layers will be maintained when replacing the architectural drawing with the new version. With this tip, I hope to have helped you gain more control over the drawings you are provided with. Would you like to see the previous tip? Click here. Would you like to see the next tip? Click here. Would you like to keep following our Stabby tips? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.